Hello, my friends. This is Hani Amri. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm glad to see you here. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working from home as affiliate since 2015. And I usually share my actual experience with you, to make it easy for you and to be away from making mistakes. I will see you after this short intro. Okay, my friends, today I'm going to speak about the best and easiest way to start online business. Of course, I recommend the affiliate business, which means that you are going to sell other people's product. And the reason I recommend this kind of business and this niche is because it's the easiest way to give it a go and start. There is no need for too much skills, and even there is no need for too much investment in money and even in time. At least in the beginning, but of course later you want the money and the time. Okay. So, my friend, uh, as I said, I recommend and I usually always promise to make it easy for you. To make it easy, I recommend that you start or you select a good product to sell, and the digital educational products is the best to sell, and because there is especially nowadays the courses, the online courses for any kind of skills people want. They go online and buy a course or have a training. So when you select this course or this training or any digital product, make sure that there is a deep sales funnel. What I mean by that, the course creator or the platform that provide the course usually make it done for you sales funnel. That this is this tool, or let's see, it is like a website, a one-page website, but there is many steps to move the prospect or the client when he came to check or maybe to buy from you. So he will follow the steps in this funnel. First of all, they give the email address and to start receiving promotion and emails or anything from you, and then to proceed to the another step to check to learn more about your products and what can offer, what's the guarantees, what the time processing time and how it works. So this is we called the funnel. So make sure that there is a funnel available for that. It will make it easy, make your job easy, and you'll get a quick success if, in case there is this ready made for your funnel. Also, the good thing for the online product, it's usually consist many models, many levels. So when people come to buy the first level, so then they will bid and they will get your commission when they upgrade to the second level. The same thing, the third level, and so on. So this is you will maximize the lifetime customer value, and will be good for you, of course. The reason for my recommendation for digital products is because you are still growing and you are already start freshly or right now, so you don't have enough experience to create a product. And if you hire someone to create this product or this course or training for you, that will cost you a lot of money, and maybe there is a risk for not being a successful product. So this is already someone create, and you're gonna promote, and if you find it not good, not useful, or really good, so you'll decide to go on or stop from here. And these products usually deliver electronically online, so there is no any delivery, there is no any shipping, there is no any following up or things like this. And also usually the course creator, the provider for this product, also handle the customer service, mean like the technical issue, the support, the more training, the update for this product. And so you know about that. Even some of a lot all the platform, let's say, offer ask the client to join the groups, for Facebook group, the forums, the community, like to have more information and start growing their knowledge and building their successful business. And of course, for this kind of products, there is no inventory. There is no need for to store in your garage or to rent a small store or things like this. This is everything made for you, and you'll deliver all your products electronically. So there is a lot of steps, but let's give it a start in this step, and from the, by this step you will experience, you will find is it good for you to go on, you try yourself. I mean, what's the area of weakness, and what's the area of good to grow much more better, things like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, please drop me a line, visit my website, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.